Do we love Goofy? Goofy?
Big Goof fans. Oh. All right, run up there. Give me this one.
Yeah.
Because you're so brave while you're screaming on the back of Space Mountain.
See? It's not me either.
Goofy's like, no, we're not talking
Imposter here.
about that. That was a traumatic day.
That's fair. I get that. I understand.
See, he was too afraid. Too afraid.
All right, do you guys want to turn around and do a picture? Race a lot. Us. Big racer. All right, guys, hop in there. He's a racer. We got number one. He's number one.
Yep. All right, you guys want to take a
Turn around. Let's take
picture?
Right here, Dax.
All right, stand there. Dax, turn around.
Right over here.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
We're dressed like Goofy, aren't we?
Oh. Say, get that out of here.
Well, he's not even there.
He's not even there.
And Donald's here. Donald would leave us.
That's it. Oh, you want to give him
Goofy.
Give him Goofy.
Give him Goofy.
Oh.
That's why Donald's better, right?
Oh, good job.
Is that good, Dax?
Oh, he's like, wait a minute. Whoa. That's
What happened?
Oh, whoa.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, he said Chip and Dale. Goofy was lying. Oh, where are they?
Chip and Dale's not here. No, you're good.
We're safe. Okay. Because they get into mischief.
Next thing you know, Huey, Louie, and Dewey will be here, and that'd
Oh,
be
yeah, that would be dangerous.
Uh-oh.
everybody would break in the
Oh, yeah. It'd be chaos.
All right, should we do some pictures with Donald? Oh,
Good job.
hey, go on in there.
Really good job. All right, Addie, you guys want to do a
You
picture?
like the face paint, Donald?
Oh, thank you. He liked your face paint, bub.
All right, you
All
guys
right,
want to do a
let's
picture?
get in position.
Alright,
Okay, Dax.
do you want to do a very cool pose? Ready? And then we're going to hold up number one for Donald.
Right here, Dax.
Dax, you look right here. Maddox, look right here. Hold up one.
Number one, as Goofy comes back out.
Hello, Daisy. Oh, love you. Are you guys matching? You looking good. That's right. You get your picture. Here. Oh, I think it's over here, yes? No.
Your friends, can you take the pictures on the side of the camera right here?
Sure.
Thank you. Oh, she likes your hat. Yay!
And their face paint. Yes.
She likes your makeup.
You guys are so beautiful.
Addie, did you show your Mickey on your hat? Did you show her, Addie?
Oh, very pretty.
Mickey Mouse?
Yeah.
Oh, she's
another
kissing
kiss.
it. She loves
Beautiful. Oh,
Mickey.
woo. Ready? Here comes Minnie.
Oh,
Wow.
Oh,
Beautiful.
good
Good job, Addie. All right, should we do a picture? Hop in there.
All right,
All
everyone
right,
look at the
bullseye.
camera.